Cathereeplus IV, sterilized by EOG, dressing for fixing catheter at insertion site. This can be used for purposes such as holding at peripheral or central vein insertion sites, or holding at epidural anesthesia catheter insertion sites. To use Cathereeplus IV for peripheral vein. 1. Prepare fixing tape. Remove one fixing tape from the release liner and temporarily fix the catheter hub of the indwelling needle in place. If using a lock-type connector, applying the fixing tape underneath the connector can prevent compression. 2. Slowly remove the central release liner and apply so that the insertion site is in the middle of the film. Apply firmly to the connector. 3. Remove the release liner on both sides and apply firmly. 4. Prepare fixing tape. Use a second fixing tape to fasten around the fixing tube in an omega shape. 5. Prepare fixing tape. Fix down the loop with a third fixing tape. Fits properly on back of the hands. To use Cathereeplus IV for intravenous indwelling needles with wings. 1. Apply the fixing tape so that it overlaps the wing part. 2. Slowly remove the central release liner. Align the insertion site with the middle of the film and apply so the hub part is covered. Apply firmly to the connector. 3. Remove the release liner on both sides and apply firmly. 4. Prepare fixing tape. Use a second fixing tape to fasten around the fixing tube in an omega shape. 5. Prepare fixing tape. Make a loop and secure it with a third fixing tape.